Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about Soun AI joins forces with Tencent Intelligent Mobility to bring world-class conversational AI to the intelligent cockpits of global auto brands. That's just a fancy way to say, hey, we're bringing stuff to a car. That's really all that was. I don't know why they had to make it sound like, oh, you're a fighter jet in a cockpit. Okay, this isn't bullish. It's not going to send the share price. It's not going to send it flying. This was on the 22nd, so 2 days ago. We're moving because the market is always moving up right now because Mr. Trump finally said, yeah, you know, we're working things out. And the market is just looking for a reason to be bullish. Like the moment things turn around, everything's just we're going to go back to all-time highs. That includes Soun with my ridiculous price target of, short term back to all-time highs at 25. So there's a potential for a 2.5x and long-term $100. So up to you if you want to listen to me. Up to you. You can do what you want. Have your personal targets. But I keep it real. I'm not like these fake analysts. I don't know what is it with these analysts. $10. Cuts price target $10. $10. 27. Oh no, that's not it. Oh, this guy's smart. 26 target price. These guys always go lowball it. I don't know why they like to lowball. They're lowballing Palantir as well, I noticed. Don't listen to those analyst price targets. Usually it goes higher than where they put it at. So I believe it's going to go beyond 25 based on how low everyone's. It's almost at $10. Like, what the hell? All right, Soun is going to report May 8th. It's going to report its financials. Let me see if there's anything else. That's it? Okay, May 8th. Let me look at the previous financials. Here it had earnings and it pumped green. Here it had earnings and it didn't do much of anything. It just kind of went sideways. Here it had earnings and not much of anything. Actually, wow, every time this thing has earnings, it's kind of a bummer. It doesn't really. You really don't want to. Yeah, you don't really expect big moves from this one. This one is not like. Yeah, it's not like Tesla or the big boys. Like this one, when it gets earnings, it just doesn't move. That's interesting. It literally doesn't go anywhere. Like it moves like maybe 50 cents up or down, but it can do that on a whim. I mean, today it's up 64 cents. So earnings is not going to be this big volatile event. Unless they announce something big, I don't expect much. Other than that, if you have not bought in under $10, it's still a buy. Under the 200 weighted moving average, it's still a buy. You can even use the weekly crossover on the MACD as a buy signal. I think this one, along with the many other stocks that are out there that I've talked about, are going to be winners when the bull market comes around. Today, you're getting a taste of that. You're getting a taste of how much these stocks can move when the hype starts coming in, even if it just comes in a little bit at a time. People get excited, it pumps. Imagine the bull market, we're just going to keep pumping. You're going to see way more green candles than red. This is the weekly chart by the way. So these are weekly, like red candles. Look at all these red weeks. We're going to see the opposite. Look at that. Green candles, just week after week of just pumping. It's going to be insane, and I look forward to it. I'm going to position myself very appropriately tomorrow. I have 50K worth of Riot stock here at 8.40, so I have not added my other big position that I'm looking to add because I'm kind of waiting for my signals to line up so I can go in big on either NVIDIA, Palantir, or maybe Soun. We'll see, because I still want to get that tech exposure. I already got the Bitcoin exposure via the miner, but at this point, it's like, do I go with Soun? Do I go with NVIDIA? Do I go with Color, Palantir? Like, what do I buy here? I got so many choices. But the point is to make about 50K just off of the recovery from the bear market. So that's what I'm looking to do. So it's kind of like, what do I buy? Soun's good. It is. The revenues don't lie. Palantir, it's good. NVIDIA, it's good. Right, it's good. They all had good earnings. Unfortunately, we're trending to the downside, so it doesn't mean much. But the fact that the fundamentals haven't changed means we stand to make a lot of money once the bull run comes around and people start piling on. So those of you who have started watching this channel recently, you saw it. You probably started watching this channel during this last hurrah, because this big pump here, that was like the last stock market's bull run, the last bull run hurrah. Like that was the last little fun run, as I like to call it, before the inevitable retracement and downside. But things don't go up forever, just like things don't go down forever. So we know it's going to come back up. This is a buy. You can buy right now under 10 based off of the weighted moving average, that purple line, or you can buy based off of the weekly crossover on the MACD. That's your signal to buy. Again, the last time that happened was here, and look what happened. So that is it for the video. I don't think anything more needs to be said. Let me just, because we do have earnings coming up soon, let me just check the earnings of what's it called? I keep track of so many stocks, I forget myself. Like, wait, what am I talking about today? Like, what stock is this? Okay, whoa, look at those revenues. 21, 31, 45, 84. They have a huge backlog, if I recall correctly. Quarterly, so next quarter is what? Q1 2025? Q1 2025. I'm just comparing Q1. So we would expect Q1 2025 to be even bigger than Q1 2024 is what I would expect. That would be great to see more than 11.59. I want to see growth in that number this next Q. They're not profitable just yet. I think it's because of their massive cost of goods sold and their G&A, I would expect. Yeah, their G&A is negative 45 million. I mean, they're on their way there, but it's going to be a while. What is with this unusual income / expense? Damn, what, did they lose money on something? Interesting. Either way, bullish on it. You guys know my price target's 100 long term. If you want to flip it, shoot for $12, $14 at this point. Yeah, I would have to go to like $14.50 for you to make about 50%. Or you can hold for previous all-time highs at 25 for a nice 150%. So there you go, guys. You got plenty of opportunity, whether you're long, or if you're just looking for the big swing or short swing for a nice 50% at $14.50. Up to you how you want to play it. Everyone's different. But I'm telling you right now, the people in my Discord that have made a lot of money are the ones that hold for the big bucks. They're willing to hold for 3-6 months because they know they can capture way more gains. And that's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I'll see you in the next one. I don't want to keep this too long.